Hi, folks. Welcome back to Car Brand Infos. Let's talk about Mazda's revealment of their X Vision Coupe and X Vision Compact. Now, the Compact I'm going to do on a separate video. So let's talk about the X Vision Coupe. This is obviously was big news for Mazda, revealing this at the Japanese Mobile Auto Show here for 2025. Last time they revealed the Ionic IP or SP to basically show what they could do with rotary motors. And now this time with the Vision Coupe here, it's a plug-in hybrid, which will get up to a 99 to 100-mile range on just the electric alone. It has a dual rotary motor, um, a decent battery pack so that you can get the performance out of it. We're talking about 500 horses out of this performance from this motor, uh, paired together with the electric engine. This is pretty powerful for a sedan. This will probably be one of Mazda's most powerful sedans and powerful motors that they've ever made. Now, their current plug-in models, your European versions are the CX60 and CX80. Here in the United States, you got the CX70 and the CX90, and they both offer a plug-in hybrid. They also offer a mild hybrid system as well. Now, the plug-in from Mazda is a 2.5 liter paired with an electric motor here in the United States for the 70 and the 90. And that comes with 323 horses with 369 foot-pounds of torque. Those are the current platforms that they're offering now today in the United States. Also, with this Vision Coupe, they came up with a concept to be able to recapture the CO2 and reuse it for the energy, and using algae to create fuel and energy to power the vehicle. If this technology is stable enough and able to use in the market, we could probably see this sooner than later to help get better range and out of your vehicle, and hopefully safer for the environment. Now, this is huge for Mazda because every time when they do these shows, they always reveal these concepts, and they're beautiful vehicles when they go over them. So we're going to hop into the video footage, and we're going to take a look at the revealment of the vehicle, both exterior and interior of the vehicle. And please leave some thoughts in the comments about this design from Mazda. And then my next video, which will be about the compact version of this vehicle, which looks like kind of a retro style of a Fiat slash Mini, or a mixture of that with the Mazda 2. So we'll talk about that when you see it. And so let's jump into this video and see what we got here. And folks,